Okay, here is the screen for Infiniti G37. Here you can see this one can feature cars so perfectly and very sleek design, all of these things, and we kept these physical buttons in case of that some car owners might get used to feelings of these physical knobs. And once you take a close look at this one, you can customize the RGB lights color inside of these buttons on this app called an ambient light sets. Okay, that's for the outlook, and I'll walk you through internally. That is the home page. Okay, you got the widgets on the most top parts, and of course there are some other spaces for you to customize other apps here. Okay, this is the navigation. You can choose a terrain map or a satellite map. It's just up to your personal preference. Okay, and you can click that one to get a 360-degree railroad condition navigation. Here is the navigation, the direction here. Also, you can apply it to full screen. It's a 360-degree review. Yeah. That's for the navigation, right? With the terrain. But zoom in or zoom off, you can see the whole view, every details. You don't have to no longer be very focused on the very small screen and very few functions. Okay. Every detail of this route, you can see how long it would take and how many targets on these routes, and to select different ways of commuting. Okay, that's for the navigation. And on this screen, on this interface, you can always pop up a front control panel to control the aircon, the fan speed, all of these things, because it not only works as a very powerful navigation system, it's just deliver a seamless integration of your factory system like the aircon, factory reverse camera, and the climate control, all of these things. Okay, let's go to the main screen. Here we have pre-installed so many apps. All of this you can just use it normally. Just give a hotspot to connect with the screen. It supports Car Auto and Android Auto. Just get your Bluetooth paired with each other, and the CarPlay will just be connected so quickly. And the radio. If you're like radio fan, you can just use this one and input a frequency. Okay. And the weather, DSP, all of these things. Okay, I will show you the YouTube. Everything you can do on your iPhone, you can do as well on this touch screen, and it can just behave better. Okay.
On your Apex cluster, and you're gonna let the update finish. That's it. You don't even have to watch the rest of the video, but I am gonna go through it in detail. I'm gonna make sure you understand what's getting uploaded.
You can use a full screen when you play in a YouTube video or watch a TV series or a live session to make sure you get full immersed experience.
Go through everything. So here goes another one. Sit tight. See you on the other side.
Here's the Spotify actually. Okay. And let's see what we got on our settings. Okay, here there is a general part. Let's go to the general part. We have two different homepage options. Like you can see here, now it's the classic one. This is how the classic one looks like. Okay, let's change to modern one. Yeah, that is the modern one. You can tell the difference. And for the modern one, you can customize the wallpaper directly by pressing the screen. Okay. And the day and night mode, you can change to auto mode. Then it will change to automatically according to the external environment. Okay, here is the night mode. And the dimmer for you to change the brightness. The language, we can support over 60 languages here. Audio, we got an equalizer. Every unit got an equalizer. On the equalizer, there are preset 60 bands, and the built-in 6 sound effect mode include vocal jazz, etc. And of course, you can customize your own style. Apart from this, you got a sound field delay and balance, and high pass, low pass, strong bass, all of these things. Okay, video in motion, HDMI system, user. You can customize the Navi apps like Yandex Navi, Uber, and Waze, boot logo, and boot animation. And here's the system. Some units can support steering control here, the wheel settings, the software version to see the information of the unit itself, the Android setting. I think this setting interface is like maybe similar to your iPhone setting here. Okay, that's what we got on the setting.